Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the eBay business, and we are back again with the freezing cold shed. And I don't have my gray vest at the moment because gray on gray would kind of look weird. So today we just sold something. Let me grab it before I talk about it. So let's see here. We got one of them here and this one. All right. So we sold 2 games today. Good little box. So we sold these 2 games for $12.99, and I actually picked each of these up at a yard sale for $1 each. So roughly a $10 profit here. So pretty easy flip. We're just gonna throw this either in a poly bag or a really small box. So depending on which one is heavier, we'll have to see how that goes. As you can see, we're not in any type of shortage of boxes. So trigger warning here because some of you guys may not like this part. Alright, so like I said, we just sold these 2 games. Now you guys might be wondering how I'm going to be packaging these 2 games. Previously, I had those bubble mailers that only fit 1 game each. However, since I have 2, I'm going to have to use a larger mailer. So I received this packaging through an Amazon order that I had purchased, and I decided to save it just so I could pack eBay packages. Now, if I received this from a company, maybe I'd be a little bit like why they decided to do it that way, but I'm just an individual seller just trying to make a little bit of extra income on eBay. And if you guys disagree, you could feel free to disagree with the way I package things, but I'm just going to show you guys how I package these 2 games. But let me know what your thoughts are. So the first thing I'm going to do is obviously just slide the 2 games into the Amazon packaging here, and I'm going to fold it over so I could condense the Amazon package here, and I'm just going to tape this part up, which does save you a little bit on bubble wrap. Just tape it just like that. So as you can see, this portion here is taped and this isn't going to open anymore. So I'm going to put this bubble mailer into one of these poly bags that are just really thin, doesn't have any type of inner layering with bubble material. And I'm only adding this on there just for a little bit of extra protection. And then we're going to slide this into the poly bag. And at this point, I'm just going to take off just fold over. And this is what the package is going to look like. I'm going to slap my shipping label on the front here. You know, on the outside, it looks pretty appealing, but I know once the person who bought it opens it, they're going to see that Amazon packaging. And to me, it's not really an issue, but let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are. Again, I'm just an individual seller who sells like 2 to 5 things a week. So to me, this isn't a big deal, but obviously everyone has different opinions. In the long run, recycling packing material has saved me a lot of money. So I'm finding sourcing during the colder months is a little bit more difficult because obviously there's no garage sales going on, and the only way that you can source is through online websites or through thrift stores. So let's go check out a new thrift store. So let me just start off by apologizing for the horrible camera work in these clips of the new thrift store. Now, this is the entrance, obviously, and you're going to see my wife walking in front of me there. There she is. And they have a silent auction section, so you could just write in this binder here whatever product that you wanted to bid for. And they have a huge glassware section that I'm going to show you guys shortly. But I was really intrigued by the auction section. I didn't bid on anything, but that could happen in the future if I find anything really good. And they have a lot of glassware that I really didn't have time to spend researching and looking up on eBay. However, I will revisit these in the near future. I decided to look these up because it was a huge set, but they didn't go for anything. And I really need to do more research on what golf clubs actually sell, because I could find them in a range of like $2 to maybe $6. And I do know that they sell well on eBay. I also decided to check out Goodwill and unfortunately flopped and nothing whatsoever. So I'm just having a horrible time sourcing as of late. Let me know what you guys do when you guys can't find anything to resell on eBay. Maybe there's some sites that I don't know about. So let's collaborate in the comment section below. What are your methods of sourcing for eBay? And I really appreciate you guys watching the video. If you enjoyed, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.